AI is a very common tool out there. However, we have to learn how to master how to use it properly.
Correct.
Kan?
Correct.
That is why there are tools available online, like the Microsoft
AI
Skills
Navigator. Correct.
that will teach you how you can utilize AI properly. What I really like about the platform, they customize the learning
Correct.
according to your needs and your capabilities.
Correct. Initially, I was a little bit confused. I said to myself, what is this AI Skills Navigator? So in a broad brush, I would say it's just basically like a one-stop center where it offers you, courses where you can learn everything, dig deeper in the world of AI.
Yes, and when you log into the learning platform, they will ask you a lot of questions first to understand what you need.
Right.
And they customize the learning accordingly. That is what I like about it.
Yeah.
Because sometimes when you go to all these different learning platforms, it's like one size fits all kind of
Correct.
thing.
Yeah.
And it does not suit anybody, especially like me for HR. I am a big advocate about personalization. I think solutions always need to be personalized and customized.
Speaking about training, right?
Yeah.
That is what I truly love about the AI Skills Navigator. You don't necessarily need to know everything. You can just be absolutely. You can be a beginner, you can be a professional, but AI Skills Navigator is like truly a university for AI.
And the best part, it's free.
It's absolutely 100% free.